નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Cultural Heritage of India, Traditional Handicraft and Fine Arts. Now dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture you learned about the art of weaving. In art of weaving, first of all we have learned about the hand weaving. In hand weaving, dear children, we have learned about the patola of the pattern. After, dear children, we have learned about the art of the embroidery work. After also, dear children, we have learned about the leather industry. Leather industry, we have learned about skin of the dead animal who was used for the various purpose of the ancient India to prepare the different things. Like example, you can take the masak to store the water. After, dear children, we have learned about the diamond beads work and animal work. Up to this, dear children, we have to learn about the previous lecture. Now today, dear children, we have learned about the jari work. Which one? Jari work. Jari work is seen in India since the ancient time. What they have given the dear children? They have to given that jari work also we have to see from the ancient times. Golden and silver threads are woven with the cloth, and embroidery is done with the gold and silver thread to decorate the cloth. What happened, the dear children? They have to given that here each kind of the thread are used. Golden and silver threads are woven with the cloth, and embroidery is to be done. Here they can decorate the clothes with the thread of the golden and the silver. Surat is prominent place for the jari work. Which place is the prominent for the jari work? Then Surat is a prominent place for the jari work. Knitting and embroidery of the jari and Jordish work have been their unique beauty. Even the artisan of the Surat could make a beautiful dresses like shari, panetar, garchola, etc. and border with the jari if they are needed. Next one, dear children, they have given about the metal work. Which one? Metal work. In this, dear children, they have given that metal work is also very old from the art of the India. Which work is also the very old one? Then metal work is very old work from an art of the India. Metal age begins develop after the stone age. It means first of all stone age, after the metal is there. The artisan of Lothal made a different weapons like sickle, drill, needles, etc. with the copper and the bronze. Moreover, they have to prepare the utensil, idol and the pots. So what happened there? By using of the metal work, dear children, they are also preparing the utensil, idol and the pots. And because of that, they have also given that arms, immunities for wars are also made prepared through the metals. Gold and silver were also used for making the ornaments. Copper, brass, bronze were also used to make the utensil and idols, where the iron are used to make the instrument of the weapons. What happened, the dear children? They have given that the iron is also the useful to preparing the weapons. Next one, dear children, they have given about the wooden art. Which one? Wooden art. Man, tree and forest are closely associated with each other. Underline in your textbook. What? Man, tree and the forest are closely associated and connected with each other. In this, dear children, they have given that initially the wood was used for the firewood, later on for making the weapons, construction of the building and other construction work. Gradually, wood was used for the different purposes. What happened, the dear children? We are also using the wood for the different purpose, like making the idols, toys of the children, wooden pillars, window and the door, small huts on the top of the terrace, thrones, chair, grills. In this way, dear children, we can say that wood carving was to be the development. Wooden furniture like swing and the toys of the Idar and Sankheda in Gujarat is well known. Underline it, dear children. Wooden furniture like swing and the toys of the Idar and Sankheda of the Gujarat are to be the well known. Next one, dear children, they will given about the inlay work. Which work? Inlay work. Now in this inlay work, dear children, they have given that inlay work is to be considered very important from the ancient India. Indian king, emperor, ruler, royal people of that time uses the wear the ornament of necklace, bracelet, crown, ring, nose ring, demini, etc. Whatever the dear children, they have to given that whatever the inlay work, this inlays work are using by king, emperor as well as the royal people wear the ornaments. In this dear children, they have to given that they were studied with the precise gems like diamond, pearls, rubies, etc. Artisans were expert in the work of the inlays art. Bikaner area of the Rajasthan is more popular for the inlays ornament, underlining which is the place is the most famous for the inlay work. Then Bikaner area of the Rajasthan is more popular for the inlays work. Next one, dear children, they are given about the akik work. Which one? Akik work. Akik is a kind of the precise stone, underlining it. Dear children, akik is a kind of the precise stone, and this is the important for the board examination, dear children. Akik is a one kind of the precise stone. Specially, it found into the various areas of the river. Where this stone is found, dear children, this stone is found near the river area. It is the chiefly and the chalcedonic. Also, the chalcedonic mixed with the silica with the blue or white stone. And also they have given that carnelian is the main stone. Carnelian is the main stone in the semi-transparent quality and the beautiful red in color. In Gujarat, the various precise stones are to be available in the big and the small size of the Ahmedabad, Ranpur and the Surat. All these stones are to be sent to the Khambar to mold into the various beautiful ornaments. So what happened there? By getting this stone are molded, converted into the various beautiful ornament with the various design. And the beads and the garland of the stones are to be prepared by them. Through the akik. Akik is one kind of the precise stone, and through that the beads and the garland of the stones are to be the prepared one. Next one, dear children, they have given about the information of the painting. What painting? Of all the art, dear children, we can say that painting is the foremost one. Painting is an art which can be expressed through the line and color. Underline in your textbook. What happened there, dear children? We can say that painting is a one kind of the art through which we can express through the line and the colors. The aim of this art to express the emotion. What is the main aim of this art? The main aim of this art of the painting to express the emotion by initiating in the animate of the inanimate object of the nature through lines and the colors. We have the evidence of the Indian art of the painting from remain the 5,000-year-old of the Harappan culture. Various models of the painting have been found out the many times through the archaeological it means Puratatva department during the excavation work. What happened there? We can say that, dear children, that art of the painting we have remained from the 5,000 year of the Harappan culture. We have the traces of the picture of the animal as well as the bird in the caves painting of the primitive man. Stone age of the Bhimbetka, underline. The people used to draw the geom of the eternal design as well as the statues. Elephant, rhinoceros, deer, and the notable among them. Ajanta, Ellora are incomparable specimen of such painting. What? Caves of the Ajanta, caves of the Ellora, these all are located into the Maharashtra state near the Mumbai. Ajanta Ellora is incomparable specimen of such kind of painting. Drawing sketches of swastik, picture, Ganesha at the time of the festival and the celebration in the old tradition in India. Rangoli making is also the very old tradition in some of the region of the India. What they have given that in the form of the Rangoli. There is also the prepare and making very old tradition in the some region of the India. Thank you, dear children. Thank you for joining us